for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jar, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nester, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for toy, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra.